Hello and welcome to this video about how our SeekerWorks.net church management software service can help you schedule and receive online gifts and pledges. How do people give to your church or nonprofit? Do you take an offering or have a box at the back of the church? Do you use numbered envelopes to conceal identities? Do you need a way for donors to make a pledge toward a church campaign or a building fund? Do you need a way for donors to give online? Can they use bank transfers or just credit cards? Do you provide a way to schedule future recurring gifts? SeekerWorks.net accommodates any method used to receive your gifts. It records gifts given through cash or check using the Gifts and Pledges Gifts menu option. Here's an example of that. Gifts are grouped by the gift date, attendance type, if any, and currency type. The currency type is usually the same as your organization's base currency, although you could receive gifts in any currency once the exchange rate is added, in which case you can see the Settings Exchange Rates menu option. Each gift is linked to a giving unit by envelope number if you use them, or name, and can be a check, cash, or other payment method. It is assigned one or more gift categories to segregate funds between unrestricted, restricted, deputized, or fee income gift types. Gifts in kind can also be received and recorded for non-monetary gifts and assigned a value of 0 unless it has a related appraisal or is subsequently sold. Here's a sample list of gift categories showing the related gift types for each one. SeekerWorks.net handles pledges made using the Gifts and Pledges menu option. Gifts given by a giving unit for a pledged gift category during a pledge period are automatically matched to the pledge. Each pledge can be added once a pledge campaign has been set up for the related gift category. Each pledge is linked to a giving unit by name and their preferred currency type and can be set up as follows. An amount can be pledged with a frequency such as weekly, biweekly, semi-monthly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, half-year, or annually with a start date. Here's a sample list of pledges showing various frequencies by giving unit and currency type. Each pledge could be an initial gift with a corresponding initial date provided. Each pledge could be an in-kind gift with a donor suggesting an amount and an in-kind date and a related in-kind description. Here's the same screen scrolled to the right showing those columns. Or an amount can be pledged by month with differing amounts using the button in the by month column, which changes the frequency to other. In this example, you can see amounts pledged in December, the following December, and the following February. SeekerWorks.net also provides online giving capabilities through the portal once you set up an authorized .net merchant account in the U.S. only to accept ACH or credit cards. In the U.S., an ACH is an electronic fund transfer made between banks and credit unions across what is called the Automated Clearinghouse Network. In Canada, an e-transfer would be used, although we're still researching this. Also of note, the fee for an ACH is much cheaper than credit cards, and SeekerWorks does not make any money on your transactions, unlike some of our competitors. There are two ways to give through the portal. The first uses the Give to Ministry screen, which receives an ACH or credit card gift and immediately updates the giving unit's records using the gift category funds indicated by the donor. It is linked to an anonymous giving unit unless they log in first, in which case it is linked to the person's related giving unit. Here's an example of giving $200 to the Tithes and Offerings Fund. The second uses the Scheduled Gifts screen to set up one or more future recurring gifts using either ACH or a credit card on the dates the giving unit indicates, based upon the payment profile chosen. Here's an example scheduling 2 gifts per month. There are 2 ways to receive funds through the portal for fee income or web store purchases. If someone registers for a class or seminar and that class or seminar has costs associated with it, the person registering is asked for payment at the time of registration to cover those costs. And if your organization sets up items for purchase through the portal's web store, a logged-in person could pay for those items during checkout. Here's an example of registering for a class with a $15 cost to cover the materials. After selecting a payment method and clicking the Pay Now button, the payment will appear in the Giving Unit's Fee Income Gift Category Fund. A number of additional screens and reports are included for you to browse, such as giving totals and details by gift category or giving unit. We hope you'll check out our websites, sign up for a free 30-day trial, or call us toll-free in the U.S. or Canada at 866-733-5373. Thanks.